In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch Pro controller. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the same method applies for both the Nintendo Switch 1 and the Nintendo Switch 2 as well, whether you have the normal version or the OLED version as well. So what you want to do, let's say this could be any of your controllers, so let's say you're using one of these two. So all you want to do, whether you're using it like, connected to your screen or not connected, is just go ahead and try and disconnect it initially. So I'm just going to remove this one. As you can see, it instantly recognizes that it has been disconnected. I'm just going to go back to the home screen just because I accidentally went on a game. But yeah, it notices that I've, separated it. So if there was any issues you're having, that might fix. And then if you want, you can just like separate it and then bring it back again, and now it's also recognized there, so then it should be working properly. Now if you're using like a Pro controller or anything like that, what you could go ahead and do is go over to controllers, go ahead and press A right there, and then you're going to see the controller connected right here. So all you want to do is select the controller, and then you're going to be able to turn it off, and then from there just turn it back on again. Your Switch 2 or Switch 1 is going to instantly recognize it, and then you'll be good to go.